So I just 3D printed this awesome Venom mask that I found on the Maker World website. Like most 3D printed masks out there, this one requires magnets to put it together and to hold it together while you're wearing it. But what if there's a better way? While magnets are the go-to for 3D printed masks, they're not the most convenient when it comes to keeping the mask together while you're wearing it. I'm not talking double-sided tape or glue, I'm talking elastic bands. So in this video, I'm going to put that to the test. So will it actually work? Let's find out. First thing we obviously want to do is put the pieces of the mask together that shouldn't come apart like the teeth and jaw. For this, we'll be using the normal super glue since double-sided tape wouldn't work for that part of the mask. The STL file for this Venom mask came with 2 sets of lenses to use, one for display that you can't see out of, and the normal white webbed ones that you can see out of while wearing the mask. For this print, I'll be using the display lens, but plan to print the others later if I decide to wear it out. Oh my God, that's amazing. These are really sharp. So cool. Oh my God, this is so cool. All right, so here comes the test. Just use a little strand. So I'm just gonna cut off just a little bit. And this is going to be for the top. I think I'm going to actually use double-sided tape, a bigger double-sided tape. Again, we can find these on Amazon, multiple sizes. So I'm stretching it out, not a lot, just a little bit, but not too far because you want to make sure you can stretch it even more when you take it off and put it on. Just making sure I press hard enough to make sure it stays. I think that's good. All right, so we're gonna do 2 more on the sides. Here we go. Let's see if this works. So let's take off the tape. Wasn't really holding it together anyway. All right, here goes nothing. So nice. Secures it pretty well, holds it very well, it's pretty strong. All right, so putting it on, so here you can see that it does stretch and then pops back into place like we want. And there you go. Nice. This was an amazing idea. We are Venom. Sorry, I had to do it. All right, so there you have it. The elastic bands work, and they work really well. Instead of using magnets, definitely give this a try next time that you are 3D printing a mask that requires magnets to hold the pieces together. This can even help you out with those type of masks where the file does not include magnets already put in place. I'll make sure to drop the Amazon links of the headbands in the description below. If you've tried this trick before, or if you have other tips and tricks, I'd love to hear from you. And with that, I'm Eric Sauer with Sweet and Sour 3D. I'll catch you in the next one.